Hello, my party people, and welcome to NFT time, where I share the latest tea on the NFT community. My name is Bijanca Star. Happy to be with you, happy to see you, happy to know you, happy to love you. All right, Bitcoin processed 62% more in value in USD than PayPal in 2021. An average of 489 billion per quarter. Brr, that is absolutely bonkers, wild, nuts, crazy, wacko. 62% more value in USD than PayPal. Think of that. That means that we went from Bitcoin being a scam, being something that the black market used, something that was illicit and only drug dealers used, to processing 62% more value than PayPal, which has been around for a while and has been something utilized, exceptionally utilized by people. If that's not bullish on cryptocurrency, I don't know what is. Okay. A Metaverse yacht sold for $650,000, equivalent to 149 ETH, in the sandbox. It is the sandbox most valuable asset by far. This is extremely bullish for not only Metaverse, but buying things that are useful in the Metaverse. So it'll be interesting to see what other goods that we experience IRL will be implemented into the Metaverse, and additionally, how those things will be used. How is this yacht gonna be used? Can I get on the yacht? No, I can't, because my body can't get there, but maybe a technology will come where I'll feel like I'm on the yacht. Something like that, I don't know, who knows? Maybe you're gonna be the one who creates it, right? Metaverse users have increased by almost 50,000 since the beginning of 2020. This is clearly prompted by the changing of Facebook's name to Meta, by Decentraland selling $2.5 million in a sale of land, as well as Axie Infinity selling $2.5 million in a sale of land. The sandbox as another metaverse. These things are popping up. They're serious, they're real, and get you some exposure to it. Play around with these metaverses, because if we're having 50,000 more users just in 2020, from 2020, in 2021 from 2020, think about what 2022 is going to be. Brr, wild. Banksy-Inspired NFT offers 5% ownership in the physical art of his warning sign piece, and it's one of the implementations of tethering NFTs to physical goods, saying that this will inherently give the NFT value because of the perceived value of the art, and tethering it to something tangible. So the naysayers who are like, owning a digital good, what does that mean? Hey, it's tethered to something tangible. It means that there is inherent value because you're owning 5% of this Banksy piece. And lastly, BTC Latinum launches a Bitcoin-enabled NFT platform. This is awesome because Ethereum has high gas fees. You know, who knows when those are going to be reduced. And the speed of transactions are much better on Bitcoin. So at Bitcoin Latinum, which is a sponsor of Decentral Conference, which your girl is going to be hosting the alpha stage at this conference. So look for me on that stage. I'll be the one looking like this with a smile. Anyway, our word of the day is moon. What does moon mean? It means a major uptrend in price is coming. We are gonna see this price go to the moon. It's gonna go so far, it's gonna go so high. We will see cryptocurrencies go to the moon. I believe it, you believe it. I hope you have a great night. My name is Bijanca Star. Keep it sexy, baby.